Euro USD on the daily chart still on the sideways trend. So long the Euro USD on the daily chart still on the sideways trend, we'll be expecting price to break above this trend line before we look at a buying opportunity. So if price break above our trend line, we're looking at a buying opportunity. Then if price break below the trend line, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity for the Euro USD. Currently now Euro USD on what? A sideways trend. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Euro USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that the price closed on resistance level. You can see that this resistance level on the weekly chart still currently hold on the weekly. So long price fail to close above that resistance level, there's a possibility for Euro USD to drop this coming week. So Euro USD is possible to drop for the week. We'll be waiting for price on the daily chart to break out of this trend line. Then we'll look out for selling opportunity for Euro USD this week. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Great British Pound USD. Great British Pound USD on my daily chart closed on a long-term support level on the daily chart. So long price close on this support level on the daily chart, we'll be expecting price to reverse on the daily chart. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Great British Pounds. On the weekly chart, you can see that we have price close on a major resistance here on the weekly chart, which stands as an area of turning point on the weekly chart. So long price close on this major resistance on the weekly chart, we'll be expecting Great British Pounds USD to do the retest of this level this week. We're expecting price to drop from that level this week. So long price is close on a major turning point on the weekly chart, because so long price be on this level, we cannot look for any buying opportunity on this level. This level is currently a resistance level. The only option we have on this level, we have to look out for a selling opportunity on the daily chart. So let's go back to our daily chart. Okay, before we go back to our daily chart, you can see that the previous trend of the Great British Pounds here is the C currently in uptrend. We have an uptrend structure, which is we have a lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low. It shows that Great British Pounds USD was in uptrend. So just that we're expecting a reversal because of this major turning point on the Great British Pounds USD, because this level is a key level on the weekly chart. So we're expecting price to reverse from this level on the weekly chart. Let's go back to our daily chart now. On my daily chart, price may start dropping for the Great British Pounds USD. So we're expecting price to drop this coming week for Great British Pounds USD. The next pair I'll be looking at now, looking at the dollar index. Dollar index on the daily chart closed on a support level. You can see that we have a first breakout on the support level here on the daily chart. Then we also have a support level here on the daily chart to also convert to a support level, also convert to resistance. So long price convert the support level to resistance, we'll be expecting the dollar index to do a retest and continue going down. But if price break on the second scenario, if price break above this area, we'll be expecting a retest and price continue to go up for the dollar index. So our major focus for the dollar index, I'm expecting price to do a retest of this level, then start dropping. But if price fail to do so and go to my second scenario, which is for the buy, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity for the dollar index. So let's look at our weekly chart. Let's look at the weekly chart close on the dollar index. On my weekly chart, the dollar index converted a support into a resistance, which means we are still expecting more downtrend on the weekly chart, which means we are expecting a price now to retest this resistance level. This was our previous support. For price to retest it, then we'll see price heading back down to the downside. Then our second scenario for the weekly chart, if price close above this high, we expect a retest of that high, then we'll see price pushing higher for the dollar index. So for now, we're expecting our major scenario we'll be looking for a sell opportunity for the dollar index, or price to continue to go down for the dollar index to this support level. So we'll be waiting for a price action setup on the daily chart before we take out any possible entry for the dollar index. Our next pair now we'll be looking at the Australia USD. Australia USD close on the daily resistance level. So long price close on daily resistance level, we are expecting price to do a retest back to our support level. So Australia USD close on this daily resistance level. We have a daily resistance level here, which price failed to close above, which is this level. So long price failed to close above that level, and we also have a support below. So long price failed to close above that level, we'll be expecting price to do a retest of that level. Then if you also see now from my daily chart now, you can see that we have a trend line here. So long price close above this my trend line, we're setting price to retest back to this trend line for look at for buying opportunity. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Australia USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that Australia USD is clearly in uptrend structure because we have a lower low and a higher low. So we're expecting the second leg of the higher low for price to continue to go up. So what we expect from the Australia USD now, we expect a price to retest this area before we see price pushing higher for this coming week. So Australia USD sequentially in what uptrend. So we have a support here on this level now. So we might be looking for a buying opportunity inside this. So we'll be looking for a buy opportunity from this support level. So long the Australia USD converted this previous resistance into support. So we're looking for a buying opportunity from this support level to the top for the Australia USD this coming week. So Australia USD for us this week sequentially in what uptrend. So let's look at the next pair we're looking at now with the USDJPY. USDJPY on the daily chart is sequentially on the downtrend. You can see we have a series of a lower high. So long we have the series of a lower high, it shows that USDJPY is still currently on downtrend, but price close on a strong support level now on the USDJPY. So long price close on this strong support level, we're expecting price to do a retest back towards to resistance. What are we expecting for now? I'm expecting price to break this level before I look for a selling opportunity to the downside. But if price fail to do so, we're setting price to break this high, then we look out for buying opportunity to the upside. So USDJPY see currently on a downtrend, but our scenario price is on a support level here, but we cannot say on what is support level. So we're waiting for price to do a retest, for price to go below this level, then we can do a retest and convert this particular support into resistance. Then we look out for a selling opportunity from that level. So let's go to the weekly chart of the USDJPY. On my weekly chart, you can see that price on the weekly also close on this support level. Then we also have this area of supply at this as area of demand at this level. So long we have this area of demand at this level, that it shows that we'll be expecting the USDJPY to do a retest of this level before we see a push back to the top. So we are still expecting a retracement down for looking at for a buying opportunity, because price close on this resistance level, this is support level on the weekly chart for USDJPY. So wait for price to close below this level, then look out for selling opportunity, and wait for price to close above this area and look out for buying opportunity for the USDJPY. The next pair I will be looking at now be gold USD. Gold still currently in what uptrend. You can see that we have our trend, the structure of the market on the gold USD still currently in what uptrend. So long we have this uptrend structure on gold, we will be we'll be looking for more buying opportunity for gold USD. So let's go to our weekly chart. On my weekly chart, you can see that clearly the gold USD is currently in what uptrend. So what we're expecting for the gold now, we have a resistance level here. This is a previous resistance that turned towards support. So long we have this resistance here, we're expecting price to do a retest of that level, then before look out for a buying opportunity. So we're expecting price to do a retest of this area, then we're looking for a buying opportunity around back to the top to this area. So gold USD is currently in what uptrend for this coming week. So wait for price to come to this support level before we look out for a buying opportunity. So let's go back to our daily chart. On my daily chart, you can see that gold USD have a long level to retrace back to. So we see price need to retrace, come back to this support level before we look at a buying opportunity, because it's better to buy on strong level, because this area is a very strong level on the weekly chart. It's also a strong level on the daily chart. Once price come to this level and give us a price action setup, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity from this particular level on gold USD. If you have any question on this weekly analysis, you can leave a comment on the comment section. If you find this weekly analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.